job right now hiring for over 80,000 open positions worldwide. That doesn't need you to write a single line of code and can still pay you more than 22 lakh rupees a year. That's over 2 million rupees. Can you believe that? No, I'm not selling you the dream. This job is real. It's called business analysis. And by the end of this video, you are going to know the exact 5-step path to get you hired into this role, even if you are starting from literally zero. So let's get into this. Okay, so first let's kill the confusion. The confusion, what actually is a business analyst? Let's understand simply. Every single company on earth is broken in some small way. Processes that doesn't make sense, systems that don't talk to each other, decisions made on gut feelings instead of actual data. A business analyst is the person who walks into that chaos and fixes it. You are the translator. On one side, you have got the business people who know what they want, and on the other side, you have got the tech team, people who know what's actually possible. You sit right in the middle of them and you make those two worlds understand each other. And that's exactly why this role exists in every industry, whether it is IT, banking, healthcare, or retail. It doesn't matter what the company sells. If it has problems, it needs a business analyst. Now, let's do a quick gut check. This role might be perfect for you if you are a person in the group project who naturally organizes the chaos. You don't panic in a room full of people arguing. You find where they actually agree, and when something's broken, your first instinct isn't to complain about it. It is to ask, wait, why is this actually happening? So, if you just nodded at any of that, stay with me. Here's your complete roadmap. Step 1. Foundation. Before anything fancy, you need the vocabulary. What's a requirement, a gap, analysis, a use case? Learn to define KPIs. And don't just learn it, use it. Build one process map, one requirement outline, one use case, even for a fake business. Small reps, real skill. Step 2. Core skills. Now it gets serious. This is where you learn to sit in front of the stakeholder, ask the right questions, and pull requirements out of someone who doesn't even know how to explain what they need. Walk away from the stage with the real requirements, documents, a stakeholder interview summary, and a future state process map. Now the step 3, execution. Here's the truth nobody tells the beginners. Knowing what to build isn't the hard part. Actually delivering it is. This is where you learn change management, user acceptance testing, and how to track whether your solution is even working after launch. Now the step 4, your portfolio. This is the step 90% of people skip, and it is one of the important steps that actually gets you hired. Case studies, a requirement conflict you resolved, a full project simulation start to finish. Recruiters don't want to hear you can do this job. They want the real proof. Now the step 5, specialize. Once the fundamentals are locked, go deep in. Pick a lane, IT, finance, healthcare, agile, project, marketing, analytics, specialization that doesn't just make you better. It makes you the obvious hire in that industry. And it can seriously shorten your job search. Trust me. Now comes the money. Because let's be honest, that's why you are still watching. If you are just starting out as a business analyst in India, you are looking at around 3 lakh to 7 lakh rupees a year. And that number grows about 7% every year. Move up to mid-level, you are earning between 6 lakhs to almost 1.4 million rupees, growing even faster than before. Reach senior level and you are looking at somewhere 1 million to over 2.2 million rupees a year. So it's a job where you keep climbing in. So here's the reality. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to code. You don't need 10 years of experience to start. You need a plan and you need to actually follow it. And that plan, I've already mapped out the complete step-by-step version of it. Every tool, every skill, every deliverable, level by level. It's linked right below in the description box. Go check it out right away and start today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and stay connected with us for more career guides, learning resources, and industry insights. See you in the next one.